In large lecture halls, there are often multiple cameras available to you: a 360-degree camera, a stationary camera, and an instructor webcam. In most classrooms, the stationary camera and 360-degree camera will work with the projector as well as on Zoom. The instructor webcam will only work with Zoom. All of these cameras are already connected to the classroom system, so to use them, you only need to turn on the classroom system. The 360-degree camera is set up to show the front of the classroom, but you can easily adjust the settings. Touch the camera control button on the classroom control panel. Under Pan Tilt, use the arrows to adjust where the camera is pointing. Under Zoom, use the plus/minus buttons to zoom in or out. Under Presets, you can choose from several preset locations that automatically reposition the camera. Left Podium repositions the camera to the instructor podium. Right repositions the camera to the right of the classroom. And Center repositions the camera to the center of the classroom. Touch Close to go back to the main menu. The stationary camera in the classroom cannot be adjusted. It is set up to show a good view of the students in the classroom. The instructor webcam can swivel 360 degrees, so you can adjust it as needed. In classrooms with a Mac instructor computer, the instructor webcam may not swivel 360 degrees, but it can be adjusted. If using the classroom cameras with Zoom, start the Zoom meeting and then click Start Video. Since there are multiple cameras in the classroom, Zoom may not have selected the one that you wish to use. To change the video source, click on the caret icon next to the video button. Select the camera that you want to use. Notice that the 360-degree camera and stationary camera are both labeled as Quick Connect USB. You'll need to test these options to see which one is which. Now I'm seeing the 360-degree camera view in Zoom. I can switch again to use the stationary camera. Here is the view from the stationary camera in Zoom. During the class, you can easily switch between cameras using these same steps as needed. You'll also want to double-check your audio source in Zoom by clicking on the caret icon next to the microphone button. For large lecture halls, it's recommended that both the microphone and speaker are set on echo-canceling speakerphone. This device is automatically collecting the audio from the instructor podium mic, the ceiling microphones, and any wireless mics connected to the system, so it will provide the best audio in the classroom and on Zoom. However, you may want to test your microphone and speakers to make sure that nothing needs to be adjusted.